Hello, hello everyone. My name is Evelyne. I come from Mizoram, and today I would like to share a spoken word piece that deeply resonates with me from the Bible, and that also touched the heart of Mahatma Gandhi because he saw its principles as a guiding light for everyday life, for conflict resolution and peace building. Let's explore its timeless wisdom together. Matthew chapter 5, verse 3 to 12. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are the mourn, for they shall be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they shall be satisfied. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall receive mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called sons of God. Blessed are those who are persecuted for righteousness' sake, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are you when others revile you and persecute you and utters all kinds of evil against you falsely on my account. Blessed, rejoice and be glad, for your reward is great in heaven. For so they persecuted the prosecutors who were before you. Thank you.